'08 G35 real quick. We already did the cat back on this job. Give y'all it's a '08 G35. But what I'm doing right now is the catalytic converters on this joint, the downpipe. We got the new ones right here. Real quick. I did these before, but right now I just wanted to show y'all what it looked like inside the cat. See, this the pipe right here, going from the back. It's the pipe, but inside, that little material that's in there is rattling. It's moving. So when the car is at idle, it shakes. And this piece in here is just moving in there. So he's just gonna replace that with aftermarket downpipes. All I gotta do is get the 2 bolts from up top. I already took the O2 sensors out. Pretty easy, pretty simple, but just wanted to show y'all what I was doing. Over here, these little pieces in here rattling around. That's what you're gonna need. Some catalytic converters, aftermarket or factory, whichever one you want to do. I'm about to change both. I'm about to put both of these Jones on. Let's get it. She sounds good though. She sounds good though. The old one. Just put the brand new downpipes on this John 2008 G35, looking good. It sound good too. Damn, D did that. Philly D did that. I know, it sounded like it got deeper. I like this car though. Got 17s on it, Dre. 17-inch rims on it. I'm gonna put those on the Buick.